If you're looking to wake up your 2003 to 2021 5.9 liter or 6.7 liter Ram 2500 diesel and get better power, more towing performance, and real-time engine monitoring, then the Bully Dog GT Platinum Diesel Tuner is a solid option. This is going to be perfect for Ram owners who want a noticeable performance gain with the ability to customize tuning on the fly. Plus, monitor those critical engine data points all in one device. The Bully Dog GT Platinum Tuner is packed with features, but the biggest draw here is the preloaded tuning specifically for diesel trucks. Depending on your engine configuration, you can expect pretty significant gains, especially in the performance or extreme tunes. You're gonna get faster throttle response, more pulling power, and better drivability whether you're empty or towing a heavy load. You've got multiple tuning levels at your fingertips from performance all the way to towing, so you can dial in the setup to best fit your needs on a day-to-day basis. The built-in driving coach feature helps improve driving habits for better fuel mileage. And another cool feature is the ability to adjust your speedometer to be correct with those oversized aftermarket tires so you know what speed you're running even with those larger tire setups. It also acts as a powerful monitoring tool, and the full color screen mounts right in your line of sight and lets you keep tabs on things by monitoring up to 4 different gauge functions simultaneously. You can even use this to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes without going to the shop. This unit features a compact dash-mounted design with a high-resolution full-color screen and simple button controls. The screen is bright and easy to read whether it's day or night. And it comes with a suction cup mount and adjustable arm to give you flexibility on placement. The wiring harness plugs into your OBD2 port and also includes a USB cable so you can update the device on your computer when new software becomes available. As far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right in that low to mid $500 price range. So for a tuner that gives you both performance gains and a full suite of monitoring tools, this hits that sweet spot between affordability and some serious function. Installation is nice and easy, so we're rating this just a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and you can have this installed in about 20 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how that goes with an install video from one of our American Trucks customers.
Okay, so right here on the Bully Dog page, you're gonna go ahead and click support. Then you're gonna scroll down here to support portal. Then you're gonna scroll down here to this link right here that says Bully Dog Update Agent Download Updater for GT devices. So you're gonna get a SIM card with the tuner. Mine came already inserted in the tuner here. So you're just gonna pop that out by pushing in. And then once it's out, we're gonna go ahead and put it in this USB drive right here. Okay, so now the SIM card is in the USB drive like so. We'll go ahead and put it into the computer so that it can download the software. All right, now that the USB is in the computer, we're gonna go ahead and click right here where it says to install the update agent, click here. It's gonna take you up to your downloads right here. Click on that, and it's gonna go ahead and start downloading the software. Okay, so once you're ready to go to the truck, the first thing that you want to do is hook up this side to the OBD2 connector, which is underneath the dash. So you're gonna plug that in there like that, and then the other end you're gonna plug into the back of the tuner itself here, just like this, and then you're ready to get going. Okay, so now that the SD card is back in the tuner and it has the files that were downloaded from the laptop, we're gonna go ahead and click on menu here. We're gonna go ahead and hit install download. It says turn key to the off position, which it is. I'm gonna go ahead and hit continue. Now it's just asking me to verify that it is the correct vehicle, which for me is a 10 to 12 Dodge 6.7 liter Cummins. So I'm going to head and click yes. Then you got to go ahead and accept their disclaimer here. Go ahead and hit agree. Then it's just asking you to ensure your battery is connected to a power source, which it is. Hit continue. Now it is loading the tunes. Turn key to the run position and press continue. All right, key is now in the run position. Gonna hit continue. All right, so first thing, it's asking if I want to adjust the speed limiter. Currently showing it's at 102 miles an hour. I think that's good enough, so I'm gonna hit yes, that's fine. Now it's loading that tune. So now it's doing the riding engine tune. It's basically just kind of taking control of the computer. You will see lots of lights and stuff come on the dash when it's doing this. That's normal, it's just running its process. So looks like it's gonna take a little while. It's currently at 5%. All right, the tune is now at 99% installed. It's taken about 20 minutes or so from the beginning of the engine tune. Now it's telling me turn key to the off position and press continue. Key's off, I'm gonna press continue. Turn the key to the run position and press continue. Checking for any DTC codes right now. Shouldn't be any. Turn the key to the off position again and press continue. Please wait while unit resets. Give it some time here. All right, and then the tuner turns back on. Basically all set and ready to go. All of the files downloaded. And now you're ready to go ahead and start setting all the different options how you like them.
All right, that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Bully Dog GT Platinum Diesel Tuner for the 2003 to 2021 5.9 liter and the 6.7 liter Ram 2500s. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at American Trucks.